Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to collect data using KoboToolbox. KoboToolbox is an incredibly powerful and free platform designed for easy and reliable data collection, especially in challenging environments. It's a fantastic resource for researchers, aid workers, and anyone needing to gather information efficiently. We'll go over how this versatile tool can help you design forms, collect data both online and offline, and manage your information effectively, making your data collection process smoother and more organized from start to finish. Next, let's dive into designing your data collection form. KoboToolbox offers a user-friendly interface where you can build your forms with ease. You'll learn to add various question types, from simple text entries to complex multiple-choice questions and even GPS coordinates. We'll also cover how to implement skip logic, ensuring respondents only see relevant questions, and set validation rules to improve data accuracy. This step is crucial for creating a robust and effective survey that captures exactly the information you need. Once your form is ready, it's time to collect data in the field. KoboToolbox makes this incredibly straightforward. You'll discover how to deploy your form and then use the Kobo Collect app on any Android device, allowing for seamless offline data entry. This means you can gather information even without an internet connection, syncing your data later when you're back online. We'll walk through the process of submitting your collected data to the server, ensuring all your valuable information is securely stored and accessible. Finally, let's explore how to analyze and export your collected data. KoboToolbox provides built-in tools for basic data visualization, giving you immediate insights into your findings. You'll learn how to generate quick reports and understand your data at a glance. For more in-depth analysis, we'll show you how to export your data in various formats, such as Excel or CSV, making it easy to integrate with other statistical software. This step empowers you to turn raw data into meaningful conclusions and share your results effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.